Good morning, our sweet home life friends. Look who I see, laying in her favorite place. That's Kitty. Oh no, she's stretching. I'm waking her up. Good morning, Kitty. This is electric fireplace she's laying in front of. Electric logs. They don't show up on camera, but they really keep our living area warm and cozy. We love them. But I wanted to show you what I made yesterday. I made this wooden heart, painted it white. I bought it from Dollar Tree and stenciled blessed on it, which I got the stencil at Dollar Tree as well. And then I just added a red bow. And this other one, my granddaughter, she made for me several years ago. And it's just a foam cutout with some smaller foam cutout decorations on it. And then she wrote, "Love you." So we are going to be making the blessed heart here shortly. But just wanted to take a chance to show you the finished product. So let's go make us a heart. Come on in, friends. And I'll show you how I made the heart yesterday with blessed on it. I purchased this heart from the Dollar Tree, and also the stencil that says blessed. I purchased that from the Dollar Tree as well. And I painted this with about 2 coats of this paint that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, just basics. And then I used the stencil, and I had picked these up at Dollar Tree as well, and I have a lot of different ones in here. It says, "Home is where our story begins." I love that one. "Enjoy the little things." "Believe." "Together we make a family." "Welcome." "Dream big." And also has the blessed in there. So I love to pick up stencils whenever I can and pick up some ribbon. Here is some heart ribbon, polka dot ribbon, and some silver ribbon. And I painted, like I said, 2 coats on each side around the edges. And then I measured out and found the middle using this little scale. This little scale comes in so handy. And just measured out with my stencil where to place the stencil. And then I took the stencil and just taped it on there. And then I took a pencil and went around the edges and then colored in with my marker. But you really don't have to do that. On this one, I just laid the stencil out and then I just colored in. Didn't use the pencil. I just kind of on the first try with this, since it was wooden and I had not done a wooden project like that, I just wanted to make sure that everything looked good before painting it in. But on these right here, I'm going to make these for my grandchildren. And on these I just have a piece of cardstock, and I just traced out actually this heart that my granddaughter had made for me, and cut it out with twinkling shears, and then stenciled in love by doing the same process, measuring it center, and then just writing in love with the stencil, and then adding a little bit of ribbon. So I thought they turned out really cute, and it's really a great project for you to have with your children or your grandchildren. For a good Valentine's project. So just kind of wanted to share that with you today. And just stay tuned. Look who I found. Hello, Kitty. Are you awake? You've been asleep all afternoon. I guess it's time for you to wake up. You want to tell our friends hello? I really wanted to show you our finished product. The middle heart is the wooden blessed And then on beside it is the love made out of the cardstock. And then the one that granddaughter made me. I appreciate you joining us. And make sure that you subscribe and like. And we appreciate you so much. See you next time.